I turned 0 Robux into over 70,000 Robux during this video. And if you want to know how to do the same, then make sure to leave a like on this video right now, because I want to see if you really want to get from whatever Robux you're at right now to over 70,000 Robux on Roblox. Literally, look at this. I have over 70,000 Robux on this account, and I'll be telling you how I did this. So let's go back to when I had 0 Robux on this brand new account I created today. As you can see right now, I just created a brand new account just for this video called turning 0 Robux into like whatever amount of Robux we're gonna get in this video. And currently we have 0 Robux on Roblox, as you can see right there. And by the end of this video, we're gonna hopefully have over 70,000 Robux on Roblox. And I'll be doing this amazing method on this brand new account. By the way, I created this brand new account just to show that this method works on any Roblox account on Roblox. And to prove this, I can literally show you that this is a brand new account I created today. Today is 17th of February. So as you can see, it's the 17th of February. I just created it today. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be turning this account from 0 Robux to over 70,000 Robux. So let's go ahead and do the methods in this video right now. So the first thing you want to do is you want to basically go ahead and go on the Roblox tab. Now, this method works on any device that can access the internet through a browser, such as like your mobile phone. You can access the internet through like Safari or Google Chrome or whatever internet browser you have and stuff like that, right? So any a device that can access the internet through the web browser, and all you have to do is you want to type in roblox.com, and then you want to type it, and then you want to press like use browser, and then you can literally do this method that I'm going to do right now. So once you click on the Roblox tab, what you want to do is you want to basically go ahead and click on the max amount. If you want to click on the max amount, now you can click on any of the amounts, but I'm going to be clicking on the max amount because I know most of you guys are going to be clicking on the max amount, so it's over 10,000 Robux. So once you click on that, what you want to do is you want to basically click on click here to add creator code, right? But by the way, guys, before I continue with the method, I'm giving away like over 20,000 Robux worth of gift cards, and if you guys want to win those gift cards, all you guys have to do is leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications to all, and comment down below your Roblox username so I can add you, and I can literally give you guys a gift card codes, and you guys can literally get 20,000 Robux. Make sure you guys enter that right now, because like not a lot of people are going to enter, and you might have a very good chance. So let's go ahead and let's continue with the method. So once you click on star code, what you want to do is you want to put in the star code called Jack. Now you want to add that star code called Jack. And then once you add the star code called Jack, you want to remove it, and then you want to add this star code called Flamingo, and then add it. Now remove it again, and that's all you have to do. Now once you do that, you want to basically click on this Roblox card right here, redeem Roblox card. You want to click on continue. And once you click on continue, it's gonna bring you up to like where you can redeem a Roblox card if you had one, right? I wanted you to type this number right here. So I wanted you to type Robux. And once you've typed in Robux, what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and go on your Roblox account. Once you're at your Roblox profile, you guys can see the top number right here, right? You guys can see like the number right here. So for me, it's like, I don't know, it's like probably like 24 billion or 2 billion. I'm not sure how much that is, but like 2 billion, right? So you just want to basically copy the number right here. You want to copy the number. You guys can do this on mobile as well. Copy the number and go back to your go back here, and you want to paste in the number right here. And then once you do that, click on your Robux right here, and then you'll click on Robux right there. Now once you do that, it's going to refresh everything, and that's exactly what you want to do. Now once you do that, you want to basically go ahead and go over to the Roblox promo code site. So you're going to go to promo codes. You want to search up, you want to take out everything except the slash, and then type in Roblox, like roblox.com/promo codes right there. Now once you type in that, you guys are going to be redirected to this page right here. Now once you guys are at this page, you want to basically go ahead and at the bottom you can see your language right here, right? So you want to click on the language. So I've set to English. If you have set to any other language, that's okay. But once you've clicked on your language, what you want to do is you want to click on the same language. So I set it to English, so I'm going to click on English. So I'm going to click on English right there. Now if you guys set it to like Spanish, for example, you guys can just click on Spanish again. Now once you do that, the page is going to reload, and that's actually what you want to do. Now once you do that, you want to, at the top of the bar, you want to type in this exact name. So you want to type in CLEANSE, and you want to type in that, and then you want to go ahead and search that up in groups right here. As you can see, it says cleanse in groups, so you want to search that up right there. Then once you guys have searched that up, you guys can see this one group right here, right? One group called Cleanse Fan Group right here, which has like currently has like over 43,000 members. So what you want to do is you want to click on that. Then once you click on that group, what you want to do is you want to click on Join Group right here, and you want to just join the group. Now it's gonna probably prompt me to verify, so I'm gonna verify, and then I'm gonna be literally joining the group. So I've just joined the group. Now once you've joined the group, what you want to do is you want to click on this guy right here at the shout, right? You see shout, and then this guy is right here. So you want to click on this guy right here. And once you've clicked on this guy right there, what you want to do is you want to basically go ahead at the top. You see these three dots over here, right? So you want to click on these three dots, and you want to click on follow right here. Now this is going to create an amazing glitch that's really amazing. Now once you do that, what you want to do is you want to click on add friend as well, because that's going to create another glitch, which I'll explain at the end of this video. Once you guys are watching this video right here, right? You guys are watching this video, I'm on youtube.com. Once you guys are watching this video right here, right? So what you guys want to do is you guys want to basically click on the like button, because that's going to create a glitch. And then you guys want to click on the subscribe, and then you guys want to click on the bell, and you guys want to click on all. And once you guys do that, you guys want to go back to your Roblox account. So as you can see, I'm back at a Roblox account, and then you want to basically copy your username right here, or if you guys know your username, you guys can just type it. And then you want to go back to YouTube basically, and then you want to paste in your username. Now I'm gonna be pasting in my username 3 times just to make sure that it actually works. So I'm gonna be pasting it 3 times right there. And once you guys have pasted it 3 times, what you guys want to do at the top, at the pinned comment right here, right? At the pinned comment, you guys see it right here, right? You guys want to basically go ahead and click on the pinned comment link. And then once you guys have gone to the pinned comment and you click on the link, right? All you guys want to do is you guys want to basically go ahead and put in your username. Once you guys put in your username, click on connect. Once you guys click on connect, all you guys have to do is do 2 offers. And once you guys do 2 offers, what you guys want to do is you guys want to basically go ahead and do the next steps I'm about to do right now. Alright, so once you complete the 2 offers, the website's basically gonna be giving you a promo code that you can redeem on roblox.com/promo codes right here. So what you want to do is you want to basically get the promo code from the website, and you want to basically paste it in right here. I've just got the promo code. Now I'm gonna be pasting it right here, which I got for by completing 2 offers. Once I paste in the promo code, what you want to do is you want to basically click on redeem. And then boom, it literally says promo code successfully redeemed. But as you can see at the top, we still have 0 Robux on Roblox. So what I want to do is I want to basically refresh this page and make sure that the Robux got added to my account since the promo code was successfully redeemed. So let's go ahead and refresh my page right now. So I'm refreshing my page right now, and let's see if this actually works. Oh my god, 70,000 Robux, no way. We literally have 70,000 Robux. That is insane, guys. Oh my god. I can even click on the Robux right there. As you guys can see, I clicked on the Robux, and we still have over 70,000 Robux. This is just insane. Oh my god. Make sure you guys do this method right now. That is just insane.